at the sports and stationery section where you can get a vast variety of items. So let's explore more. Well, I am in my favorite section, jewelry and cosmetics, which has some aesthetic items here, from aesthetic mirror frames to makeup, sunglasses, jewelry and whatnot. From household to washroom, kitchen amenities, DIY has got you all sorted. The best part is that it's all on 50% off, which means only in 59 you can get hands on all of these stuff. I had a great day at Mr. DIY. It's a one-stop solution to all things necessary, that too at an affordable price. I can't wait to visit again.